And now I'm going to introduce, maybe he needs no introduction now, Tom, because I've done it so many times. Tom's been coming in and sitting on your tables and then drawing pictures, including one of me at the back, which I commented certainly looks more than 3 years older than the one he did of me in Edinburgh. So that
it's COVID, isn't it? It's what is aged us all. I won't take up too much time because we're running out of time. But I just wanted to alert you to where things are ready. So over here, as Mark says, is the sort of the first bit of the day. So Mark and Rasmita just sort of introducing the day. So have a look at those. And then over here are all the problems. So some of you like to dwell in problems. I know that. I know I do. I'm not here to give you anything new because it's all sort of summing up what's already happened. So what's just been said about the food industry and inaccessible or damaged services is a nice picture there. There's lots of different, pictures you can sort of choose from. I like, the prevention isn't sexy. There's a sort of man yawning, going, oh God. And then there's what I really liked is that sort of idea about the public's attitude to bacteria. This bloke running away, someone saying, bacteria, come and listen. And the other one's sort of running away, going, no, more bacteria, COVID, not after COVID. So there's sort of humour in there, but there's also very serious points. This one was the last one I've done about longevity. Necessarily that research projects are short term, 3 years often, and that isn't enough time to solve all the problems. But over here, so if you get a chance to look at these after the session, it's a long way, and well, yes, there's a big gap between the solutions and the problems and the solutions, but there are some good stuff there. Just to remind ourselves, a good relationship with science journalists, something about the media. Something about the government. There's Boris there looking unkempt. There's stuff about platforms, just basic things like being able to share our information and sort of and the way we do things and the methods and the model system. I've sort of done a very basic model system because everyone's using a different kind of way of doing stuff. Things like adequate tools, longer testing times. I mean, I'm not going to go into it hugely, but just do have a look, and these will all be available after the event. And if you feel like taking your own pictures and tweeting them out, that's it's all good. So thank you.